So I've committed to a video a week. This week I am going to talk about what are the first things that you should do if you make the decision to separate or you're faced with being told that your partner wants to separate. I always tell people don't delay in getting legal advice. A lot of people are very scared about going and seeing a lawyer because they just fear the fees. In my experience, you will find that you'll spend a lot less on lawyers if you go early. And I'm not saying that you need to involve the lawyers from the very beginning. What I'm saying is you need to find out where you stand. And then you know your options and you're in a better position to negotiate directly with your ex if your relationship is capable of doing that. So quite often I'm faced with somebody that separated, say, 12 months ago, all's really amicable. They come and tell me that they've reached an agreement with their ex. I have a look at that agreement and I point out all the problems with it. I point out whether it's practical, workable, and I also point out, well, what would the court and the law say is an appropriate settlement in your matter? And either the person I'm advising or the other side suddenly decides that, hang on, that agreement is, not something that I should be agreeing to. And it causes a lot more animosity where one person's gone along for, say, 12 months, even longer, thinking that they have this agreement in place that they're quite happy with. They've acted upon it and suddenly it's all turned upside down. It actually damages the relationship even further if you delay in getting the legal advice. Also, this affects not just property but parenting as well. People have inaccurate assumptions about what should happen. There is obviously a body of thought that equal time between the parents is appropriate. The research doesn't actually support this in all cases. Obviously, in many cases, it's completely acceptable and appropriate. But especially with younger children, where one parent has been the primary carer, equal time is not necessarily in their best interest. There are also different options with respect to equal time. It doesn't have to be a week on, week off arrangement, and with younger children in particular, that's not something that they can really cope with. So come along, find out what your options are, then go away and negotiate and see if you can reach an agreement between the two of you. Come back and we can finalize it, but just make sure that you know where you stand before you start negotiating. Good luck, people.